Here at 12 News, we're always working hard to put Southeast Texas first, and that means getting answers to your legal questions. We're joined this afternoon by Judge Courtney Arkeen from the 128th District Court on the bench there in Orange. Judge, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Jordan. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's been a while. Let's get straight to the questions. This first one is one of our viewers who's having an issue with dogs. Kind of a long question. I'll get to it here. My neighbors have dogs that have been known to get off the leash and chase individuals, including the mailman, and I have video where the dog charged at me. I could not leave my home for about 40 minutes. What can I do if I've called 311 and the Humane Society and they say they can't do anything? My mail service has been suspended for everyone on my block with no notification. And as a 73-year-old, it's hard for me to get out to the post office. Do I have any options to get my mail service restored and/or the dogs removed?
The short answer, Jordan, is yes. Texas does not have a statewide leash law, but many cities have local ordinances and laws that require dog owners to keep their dogs on a leash and prevent them from running at large. So the first thing I would do is contact the city. She didn't say what city she lived in, so I couldn't look up that particular law. Contact the city or the animal control within that city. If you live in the county outside the city limits, then contact the county. As far as the Postal Service goes, they can suspend temporarily the Postal Service if their carriers are in harm's way because of an animal. Once that is rectified, then the service will resume. So I would contact the post office directly and discuss with them your plans on contacting the city, kind of be the communication gap between the two to try to get the issue resolved.
Yeah, you'll have to do some work there, some legwork, but hopefully she can get that resolved. Second question, this person says, I was employed in a local chemical plant from 1968 to 1975 and received no retirement benefit. Am I entitled to receive back pay via ERISA?
And no, he's not. This law, it's the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. Its short acronym is ERISA. It did not go into effect until 1974. And what it does is it regulates private sector companies who provide retirement benefits or employee benefits. It regulates how those can be administered, what they are required to provide, etc. It does not require that they do provide those benefits. So it's optional. If they provide the benefits, here how it has to work, but they don't have to.
Very interesting. Okay, final question this afternoon. How do you self-help to relinquish guardianship? This particular person referencing an adult type guardianship scenario.
Well, it's not something that I would recommend. I mean, lawyers can get board certified strictly in the area of guardianship law, so it's a very specialized area. You could file a petition to terminate the guardianship. You would have to have a citation issued and serve the ward. Then you would also have to set it for a hearing. You'll probably also have to do a final accounting if the guardianship was financial in nature and not just over the person. And you would probably need to contact a doctor to provide a letter that the guardianship is no longer needed. So it's a lengthy process and it's a little bit difficult one. I'm not saying it can't be done, but I would suggest contacting an attorney that specializes in this field.
That's good advice. Judge, we'll leave it there. Good to see you this afternoon.
Good to see you too. Thank you.
Thank you. And folks, if you've got questions for Ask the Judge, head to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge and there's a form to submit right there.